Yo guys, welcome back with me Kenwilboy. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and profitable forex trading strategy for beginners. It's very easy and very profitable, massively profitable. Okay, this is one of the best strategy for you if you are using small accounts, not big accounts. Okay, let's begin. If you don't know me, I'm Kenwilboy, the founder of fortunomarkets, the best forex broker, not only forex, multi-asset broker in the world, #1. And I'm also a professional trader with over 10 years of experience. Okay, what's the best strategy? I think the best strategy for small accounts is all-in, full margin strategy, no stop loss. I repeat that again, no stop loss. So your stop out is your stop loss. Okay? Well, people might say, oh, you're teaching them how to lose. No. You should only deposit the money you are comfortable losing, the money you can afford to lose. Do not deposit everything you have. Do not sell your house only for your trading accounts. No, do not do that. Well, if you want to do it, it's okay. But remember, this is a high-risk strategy. Keep that in mind. What's the benefit of this strategy? Well, the benefit of strategy, you can only lose 100%. But the potential gain is 500, 1,000%. So it's worth it then. 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio or 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. Why not? It's good, right? You could only lose 100%. Remember that. The mindset of this strategy is that you could only lose 100%. If you deposit $50, then you could only lose $50. But the potential gain is 1,000% or even more. You could gain from a $50 account, or you could gain $500 or even $1,000. You'll never know. Okay? That's the principle. That's the mindset behind this strategy. Okay, so how do we do it? The way we analyze, I like to use for support and resistance. Classics, one of the best methods out there. Well, a lot of people use different methods. ICT, SMC, blah, blah. For me, basically, all those methods, this is the father of all methods. This is not the father. This is the great-grandfather of all the modern methods. Okay? These methods of support and resistance has been used for hundreds of years by millions of traders around the world. Well, you can learn other methods, but support and resistance is the basis of all methods. It's the father of the grandfather. It's the great-grandfather of all the methods. Okay, so how do we use support and resistance? Again and again, support is an imaginary floor where the price of an asset tend to stop falling and it may bounce back up. Okay, that's support. What support level is. Resistance level is an imaginary ceiling up there where the price of an asset tends to stop rising and it may bounce back down after it touches that resistance level. That's basically. So this is a very good representation of what a resistance level is. I don't like to draw resistance as a line. For me, resistance or support is more of an area than a line. So this is a good resistance area. Why? Take a look at this. This resistance line has been tested or the market has bounced off this resistance level. How many times? Let's count, okay? 1. Okay, I don't like this color, yellow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in a row. This is a valid resistance level. It has not been broken even once, but it has been tested 6 times. So it's like 6-0 score. Very good resistance area, a valid, strong resistance level or area, whatever. So what I would do is I would sell when the market or when the price touches this resistance level. I would open a sell position or maybe positions, more than one position. Yeah, that's what I would do. And I would go all in, full margin, maximum leverage. My stop out is my stop loss. Remember that. And it's only possible when you're using a broker with high leverage. The broker I'm using this, fortunomarkets. Take a look at this. They offer, one of the accounts is named Unlimited account. And this account they got unlimited leverage. See, up to unlimited leverage. So you can choose any leverage from 1 to 1 up till 1 to unlimited leverage. Amazing, incredible, highest leverage in the world. This is only possible with this unlimited leverage. So you could easily double, triple, quadruple, or 10x your account. Easy. If you're going all in, easy. But remember, it's also high risk, okay? Very easy for you to blow your account. But you don't need to worry. You could only lose 100%. Remember that. So you could not lose more than what you had deposited. Remember that. Yeah. So what I would do if I lose again and again and again, 1, 2, 3 times in a row, it's okay. I would still go all in on my fourth account or my next account, and I would make it all back. By the way, this strategy is only good if you're using small accounts. Remember that. Do not try this using big accounts because it's a very high risk strategy, but also high reward. Just like anything in life, the higher the risk, the higher the rewards. So yeah, high risk, high reward, low risk, low reward. Remember that. And I think for a small account, it's the best strategy, all in, full margin. Because, well, it's a small account anyway. It won't hurt you financially if you lose it all. But you could gain a lot. You could gain a ton of money. And, you know, I couldn't show it here. I don't have it right now with me. But at one time, I managed to turn a $100 account to $100,000. Yes, $100 to $100,000 account. One of my account, I think I did that like a couple of years ago. I've lost the account, but now I don't have the account with me because it's a couple of years ago. But at one time, I managed to turn, using this all-in strategy, turn $100 to $100,000 US dollars. Incredible, man. It's crazy, you know. I went nuts after doing that, but it's not in one day. Of course, it took several tries. Actually, a lot of tries. So I failed again and again and again. And one day I make it big, cover all the losses. That's basically it. And I think this strategy is also ideal for small traders. Why? Because, well, you can easily multiply your money, and if you lose, it won't hurt. Yep. That's basically, and actually Forex, or this futures market with leverage, is actually a high risk instrument. So your mindset should be to optimize. You should think to optimize the risk. How do I get the most out of it? Rather than trying to minimize the risk, for me, I think it's better to think how to maximize the reward. Because the risk is always there. No matter how hard you try to minimize the risk is still there. You know, trading with leverage is a high risk. It's a high risk activity anyway. No matter like how tight your stop loss is, how low your lot sizes is, it's still a high risk instrument. If you want a low risk instrument, go with the spot market without leverage. Don't go into the futures market. And maybe go with government bonds, index fund, all those low risk type of thing, you know. But if you go to Forex, especially with 500, 1,000 leverage, or in this case, unlimited leverage, it's always going to be a high risk instrument, high risk markets. So yeah, I would like you to think better, to change your mindset from trying to minimize your risk to trying to maximize your gain. The risk is always there, but try to maximize your gain. Just like in life, you know, if you do something, you need to go all in, you know, all in or nothing. If you do something half-heartedly, like you don't put 100% of your effort, well, the result will also be, it won't satisfy you, okay? The result won't satisfy you. That's the mindset you need to have while trading. So, yeah. This is basically it. If you want to ask me something, please don't hesitate to comment down below in the comment section. And if you want good signals from our team with over 90% accuracy, check the link in the description. We got free signals for you. 100% free, no VIP, no requirement, no nothing, no courses, all for free from me and my team of analysts. We have a group of professional analysts. Let me tell you, it's good. It's that good. They're amazing. Okay? Check the link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below. Thank you for watching, and peace out.